Right, cool. So now here we're going to explore the contacts and tags. Very simple. In contacts, you're going to find all the contacts that have opt-in into your account or that you manually created. On the left side, you have filter by, and you can filter your contacts through email, first name, and all these other ones. So if you are trying to see exactly how many people logged in or created or have a specific tag, you can go to select tag, tagged with, and then you can choose a tag that you want to do. And also you can add a condition. Okay, so you can also see and filter with a little more detail. If you want to save filters, you can simply do this and then go ahead and save filter. Now here, just give it a saved filter and then save it. So every time that you want to filter by, you just click here, save filter, and now you're going to see all the data from there. In this account, it's a brand new account. I don't have any details, so we cannot really see it, but that's how it works. So if you notice that throughout your managing your account, you see that you always repeat a specific kind of filter, you can go ahead and create filters right there. On the right side, you're just going to see all the leads and emails and names and tags, and you can also create a contact. So in this case, I'm going to fill out just a standard and fake kind of email and user. So now here I have the details. If you want to add new custom field, you can also add the name of the custom field and a new key. I'm not going to really go into detail here simply because I don't really use a lot of these custom fields, and you don't really need it that much. Now, if you want to select specific tags, you can select specific tags because I don't really have them right now. So we can cover that in just a little bit. So now you go ahead and click save. Once you do this, then it's going to generate the contact. No MX or DNS record was found for this email in char. So basically, let me just find a different email. Right, so different email. Let's go ahead and save. And now, there you go. So this is basically to prevent fake emails. So if we go ahead and refresh this page, we can see that we have now a new contact. We have a domain, we have an email, and we have the first and second name. If you want to add tags, what we do is we go to tags, create, and then ebook, tag, and save. Now here we have a tag and we have all the details about it. We have how many signed up today, yesterday, the total leads inside this tag, unsubscribe, how many sales generated through this tag, and sales per contact. Okay. On the right side, you have the settings. There's not a lot of things here. You can just add it or you can even remove it. We don't really want to remove in this case. Just go to contacts, click on that contact. And now if you want to select tags, we click here and there you go. You click save and now it has the tags right there. If you want to go ahead and filter through tag, you click tag, tagged with, ebook, and now say filter if you want to, but you don't really need to click there in order for you to see the tags or the emails there. So this is how it works as far as the contacts go. If you want to import contacts through a list, this is the steps that you want to do. You want to make sure that you have a CSV file, right? A spreadsheet kind of file where you have all the information, and make sure that you select them by name, email, tags, if you want to add the tags as well. You do have the tutorial right here if you want to follow. Very, very simple. I've done it to export, to export data from ActiveCampaign to here. It's really, really simple. You just want to make sure that you select the delimiter to comma, because this is going to be the most standard one, and then you upload the CSV file right there. Once you add the file there, you can then add a specific tag if you want to, or create a new tag if you want. In this case, I don't want to do that. You can also add in a new campaign or a specific campaign. I don't have any campaign right now, so I'm not going to do that. Then you just click next, and you have all the files and all the information right here, and just go ahead and import. He's going to do that for you. This will take just a few minutes. And then once you go to your contacts, you should have all the files imported. In this case, I'm not going to wait. I'm going to refresh just for privacy reasons, but that's exactly how everything goes for contacts and tags.